Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable offline viewing on Amazon Prime Video. Travel setup step by step clearly. Open the Amazon Prime Video app on your phone or tablet. If you do not have the app, install it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign in with the Amazon account that has an active Prime Video membership. Tap the profile icon or menu icon to open the main navigation. Go to Settings to confirm you are in the correct account and region. Find and open download settings or streaming and downloading options. Set video download quality to best if you want higher quality and have enough storage. Choose good or data saver if you want smaller files and faster downloads. Turn on download on Wi-Fi only to avoid using mobile data while downloading. Check your device storage and free up space if needed for multiple episodes or movies. Connect to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network before you start downloading. Use the search bar to find the movie or series you want to watch offline. Open the title page to see details, episodes, and download options. Tap the download button on a movie to start saving it to your device. For a series, tap download on the specific episode you want. If available, select the season first to make sure you download the correct episodes. Wait until the download progress bar completes and shows the file is ready. Repeat the downloads for all content you want for your trip. Open the download section from the menu to view everything saved offline. Tap any downloaded title once to make sure it plays correctly. If playback fails, check Wi-Fi briefly and try resuming or re-downloading the file. If you travel internationally, download before leaving because some titles are region limited. Keep the app updated to avoid download errors and playback issues. For long trips, bring a charger or power bank because offline playback uses battery. Before you depart, switch your phone to airplane mode to test true offline viewing. Open Prime Video again and go to Downloads to confirm everything appears. Start playback from downloads so the app does not try to stream online. If a title expires, connect to the internet and renew the download when prompted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.